Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Christy Lee, hanging out here at SEMA 2018 in Las Vegas. And of course, I had to stop and hang out with my favoriteest of people in the aftermarket automotive industry, my friends at Original Parts Group Incorporated, because these guys at OPGI know their OEM replica parts. So I actually have a really awesome project in my garage. It's a 1967 Pontiac convertible Grand Prix, the only year the convertible was made, which is really, really cool. But that car is really special because it's not my car, but it is a family car. And at one point, it was Grandma and Grandpa's Grand Prix that used to cruise up and down Woodward Avenue, the Dream Cruise, of course. So I'm from the Motor City. And the car has seen better days, let's put it that way. We actually had a chance to work on the Grand Prix at the all-girls garage and get a couple of things done and basically get it up and running. Well, more like get it up and started, but it needs to be up and running. So it's in my garage currently, and I'm really excited about starting the project soon. And I gotta thank OPGI for helping me out with all of the parts I needed for that build in particular. Now, this car sat outside for a while at one point, and unfortunately, the convertible top, it's about 1/4 of an inch gap between the metal frame of the convertible and the vinyl itself. So moisture got inside, and you guys know how great moisture and metal works. So all of the interior basically needs a complete overhaul. Basically, I'm going to replace the convertible top, which OPGI offers also, and I'm going to replace almost the entire interior, from the floor pans down to the door panels, the seats, components of the dash, carpet, and so much more. And I was able to source all of that right from these guys and right from this catalog at that. And I literally use this as a great reference point for finding everything I needed for my build. Go right in here, you can look through the catalog and see exactly what I needed. And, you know, they have a lot of different choices and options for particular parts, like carpet, for example. I had different types of carpet, different color choices, whatever I wanted and needed for the car. I wanted to keep my build as original as possible, so I was able to do that with all these great parts from OPGI. So really excited about the project, and the end goal is to get Grandpa behind the wheel of it once again and back cruising up and down Woodward Avenue for the Dream Cruise next year. We'll see, so stay tuned. Of course, you can always touch base with me on social media to find out more on the build. ChristyLee09 on Instagram. I'll probably be posting the most on there, and you can check me out on Facebook and Twitter as well. And of course, for all of your parts needs, you can head to opgi.com. If you need anything for your Pontiac, for your Grand Prix, or any other variety of different makes and models, because they got a lot of stuff, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. See you later.